In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive items in Monday.com. Archiving is a great way to keep your boards clean and focused without permanently deleting anything. Think of it like putting completed or inactive tasks into a storage box. They're out of sight so your workspace stays organized, but you can still bring them back later if you ever need them. Let's walk through exactly how to archive items on your board. First, open the board where the items you want to archive are located. Once your board is open and you can see the list of items, move your cursor to the far left of the item you want to archive. You'll see a small checkbox appear next to the item's name. Click that checkbox to select the item. If you want to archive more than one item at the same time, simply click the checkboxes for each item you want to include. This is really handy if you're cleaning up a board after finishing a project, because you can select a whole group of completed tasks in one go instead of archiving them one by one. As soon as you select at least one item, a dark menu bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. This bar only shows up when you have items selected, so if you don't see it, double-check that your checkboxes are actually ticked. In that dark menu bar, look for the archive option. It usually appears as an icon that looks like a small filing box. Take a moment to hover over the icons if you're unsure which is which. A label will pop up when you hover, confirming you're on the archive button. Once you've found it, click the archive button. The selected items will immediately be moved out of your active board and into the archive. You'll see them disappear from the main list, which lets you quickly confirm that the process worked. Remember, archiving does not delete your items. They're simply stored away, so your current board stays focused on what's active and important. If you ever need to restore something you archived by mistake, you can go into your board's archive and bring that item back. And that's all there is to it. Select the items with the checkbox, watch for the dark menu bar at the bottom, and click the archive button that looks like a filing box.